threshold frequency for a metal is 15 into 10 to the power 14. Threshold frequency means nu 0. It is 15 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz. Now the light of wavelength lambda is equal to 6000 angstrom, means it is 6 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, falls on a metal surface. Will photoelectrons comes out or no? So first we will calculate the frequency of incident radiation nu, which is equal to c divided by lambda. C is speed of light, velocity of light, and it is given as 3 into 10 raised to power 8 divided by lambda in terms of meter. So it is 6 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter, and this comes to be equal to, what is this, 6 and this is 3, means it is 0.5, and minus 7 it becomes plus 7. So it is 0.5 into 10 to the power 15 hertz, or this is also equal to 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Means frequency of incident radiation nu is equal to 5 into 10 raised to 14 hertz, while the threshold frequency is 15 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. See here, nu is 5 into 10 raised to 14, nu 0 is 15 into 10 raised to 14. So naturally this nu is less than nu 0, because what is nu? 5 into 10 raised to 14, which is definitely less than 15 into 10 raised to what? 14 hertz. And whenever frequency of incident radiation is less than threshold frequency, then according to properties of photoelectric effect, there will be what? No photoelectrons are emitted. There will be no photoelectrons are emitted. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? Will not be emitted. Photoelectrons will not be emitted. So option D is the correct option.